Good morning class. Welcome to the class of Internet and Web Designing. In this class we will discuss the basic concept of Internet and web designing using HTML, JavaScript and JSP. So let's discuss the basic of Internet. After the session you will able to understand the concept of Internet and how communication takes place, how connectivity stabilizes over internet, and what are the overviews of TCP/IP protocols. So let's start with the introduction of Internet. Internet is a global collection of computer networks that are linked together by devices called routers and uses a common set of protocols for data transmission known as TCP/IP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and IP, that is the Internet Protocol. TCP/IP is a protocol of TCP/IP reference model. There are two types of network model, OSI reference model and TCP/IP model. So TCP/IP protocol is the protocol of TCP/IP model. Internet enhancing our way both locally and globally. Its primary purpose is to facilitate the sharing of information. Everyone wants to be part of the internet because it puts a world of information and a potential worldwide audience at fingertips. The term internet evolved from the ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Project Agency, to which other networks were added to form an internetwork rather than a single network. There are different tools used on the internet to connect different networks in a single network. These common tools include email, newsgroup, telnet, Gopher, FTP, World Wide Web, etc. Among all, World Wide Web is the most popular tools used over the world. World Wide Web is an example of an information protocol service that can be used to send and receive information over the internet. It supports multimedia information, hypertext information, and graphic user interface. In multimedia, there are text, movies, sounds, programs, pictures, etc. The hypertext information contains the link of different information resources, and the GUI provide facility to request for the information on a click basis instead of typing the text command. The World Wide Web model follows client-server software design. A service that uses client-server design requires two pieces of software to work. First is client software and the second one is server software. Client software requests information from the server software, and server software provides information on the basis of request of the client software. The server software of the World Wide Web is called an HTTP server, such as MAC HTTP, CERN HTTP and NCASA HTTP. Whereas the client software for World Wide Web is called a web browser. The client server software are Netscape, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Firefox Developer Editions, Opera Mini, etc. Now we will discuss how evolution of internet takes place. So as we say that internet evolved in the late 1969 and it was originated from the concept of ARPANET developed by United States Department of Defense. The basic purpose of ARPANET was to provide communication among the various bodies of government. Initially, it was started by connecting 4 nodes called host, and in 1972 the ARPANET spread over the globe with 23 nodes located at different countries, and thus it became known as Internet. There are several advantages of Internet, that is social networking, education and technology, online services and entertainment. Let's discuss how social networking is the advantages of internet. Internet allows us to communicate with the people sitting at remote location. There are various apps available on the web that uses internet as a medium of communication. The different social networking applications are Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Google+, Skype, etc. Education and technology. When we talk about education, we talk about the information and technology. One can search for any kind of information over the internet. Information regarding technology, health and science, social studies, geographical information, etc. Apart from communication, internet also serves a medium for entertainment such as online television, online games, songs, videos are the such platform which one can use for their entertainment. It also provides us online services such as e-commerce, online banking, online bill payment, matrimonial services, online shopping, data sharing, etc. As internet has some advantages, it has some limitations also. These are threat to personal information, spamming, cybercrime and virus attacks. There are always chances to lose personal information, so one should be careful while sharing such information over the internet. Spamming corresponds to the unwanted emails in bulk. These emails serve no purpose and lead to obstruction of entire system. Virus attack is also the disadvantages of internet, so we will always keep in mind that when we are using internet we should have a strong antivirus in our system so that our system gets secured. Cybercrime is also the one of the disadvantages of internet, which leads to misconception among many people. So these are the basic of internet. Thank you.